Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is my plan with me. I am using my Travel Girl kit. I'm really excited to be finally using this because I'm actually traveling somewhere. I am going to Seattle for the weekend, and so I'm really excited. And yeah, I'm gonna meet some friends and we're just gonna have a blast. So okay, so here it is. I really like how it turned out. I've left a lot of white space, especially on my trip, because I will just be doing memory planning and putting in what we did, because we're kind of playing it by ear. And I'm also may end up putting like a piece of like white sticker paper here and say journal, and like use this to journal like some things about the trip. And same with here, so that's why I'm gonna just kind of leave this blank and decide after my trip whether or not I'm gonna cover that up or not and use it for journaling. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.